Hello everyone, welcome back to Royalty Soaps and the 2023 Secret Soap series. Thank you for giving me a week to recuperate and work on my physical health. I had a nasty cold last week, but I'm feeling all better this week and ready to start the Secret Soap series. So here are some things we're changing up this year. One, we are not doing like the big giant outro where I commissioned art pieces and stuff like that. The actual collection is smaller this year. It is only 4 artisan soaps. This is mainly because my time is currently divided into a lot of different arenas, and what I'm working on in the behind the scenes will benefit you guys so much more than an end slate at the end of a video will. That being said, if you've never watched a Secret Soap series before, I will link some of the playlists down below. You can watch it from start to finish. I'm not going to give you any spoilers in this first video, but essentially I design soaps based on a theme. Sometimes those themes are extremely niche and specific. Sometimes they are a bit more broad. I don't tell you the fragrance oil I use. I don't tell you any of the colors I use. Sometimes if there is an additional stamp or embed, I will hide that as well. And then you guys get to guess as we reveal each episode what you think the theme is. I will then announce the theme on the day of the soap release. That is this day right here in October. It's the first Saturday of October. And let me just tell you, things are just going to get better. They're going to get better and better as this year goes on. All right. So today we're going to be making Secret Soap number 1. Enjoy. The first secret soap of 2023, and it's an artisan soap. This is going to be a little bit simpler. It's true, but there's going to be a missing puzzle piece on this soap. Let's blend this up. Okay, that looks beautiful. We only have 2 accent colors for this. Here goes number 1, and here goes number 2. Here is our fragrance oil. Now, sometimes you can tell quite a bit about a fragrance oil by the color. Sometimes you can't, but sometimes you can. Another hint, I have never used this fragrance oil before, and it's from Nature's Garden. So if you want to go check out their website, you can kind of snoop around and see. It smells so good though. Just pour the rest right into here. And whoa dang, look at that color. Here is our base color. Pour that right in. And to the base color, we're adding just a little bit of that. A little bit of this. Accent 1 and accent 2 weigh the exact same. So here's the color for accent 1. And here's the color for accent 2. All right, we'll go ahead and blend everything up. All right, these colors admittedly are a little different than what I had in mind, but we're gonna see if we get a paranormal color morph on them. I wouldn't be surprised at all if we did. And I'm gonna pour accent number 1 in and scrape out this container until there's about this much left. Actually, now that I'm looking at it, this is a little closer to the color that I wanted now that I'm thinking about it. So maybe we won't change anything. Hey small business owners, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Just imagine last year's holiday season. I know, like orders were flying, you were stressed out. Me too, okay, me too. But there was one thing I was not stressed about, and that was my shipping schedules and all of my postage, because Stamps.com had me covered. Stamps.com has basically been everybody's like business fairy godmother for the last 25 years, and they will make your life as a small business owner so much easier. With Stamps.com, you basically get your own personal post office right on your laptop. They even send you a free digital scale. So no more guessing your postage weight or cost. You can know exactly what everything weighs. And if you are on the go, they also have a mobile app. You can schedule package pickups and sync them up with every major online marketplace place. Basically, it's your personal shipping assistant. That's what I'm telling you, okay? But let's talk about money, okay? The dollar bills, the Benjamins. It's really important. With Stamps.com, you get up to 84% off USPS and UPS postal rates. Yeah, that's right, you heard me, 84%. Plus, they show you the cheapest and the fastest shipping options so you can make the best choice for your package. So head on over to Stamps.com/royaltysoaps for an incredible offer. You get a 4-week free trial, a free digital scale, and free postage, all without the long-term commitments. Once again, that's Stamps.com/royaltysoaps. The link is on screen right now and in the description box below. A big thank you to Stamps.com for sponsoring today's video and for making the lives of small business owners so much easier. All right, let's go ahead and pour our first layer in all around, and I'm going to do side to side. So I did front to back, and I'm going to do side to side. I'm waiting for it to be a certain amount of full before I add in our next layer. Okay, I've got about this much left in my container, and now I can add in our next portion, just like this. Pour it right over the top. And as soon as I get this in, I'm going to tap it down on the floor so I can get it as level as possible. Then very gently, I'm going to flatten this out with my paint scraper tool. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're just going to try to get rid of some of those ridges. Caleb is so much better at this than I am, but I can make it work in a pinch. Okay, and we can go ahead and put that final little layer on. Okay, now very carefully, I'm going to smooth all this out. This does have a textured top anyway, which is why I wasn't really worried. I also read the fragrance notes on this and knew that it would thicken up. But since I am always the test batch, I wanted to see if in the future it wouldn't be a big deal if we blended all the fragrance in at the same time. What I think I'm going to do next time is wait to put that middle color in and wait to put the fragrance oil in as well so that I can just pour that layer and everything will go a lot faster. I'm going to be fine with how this turns out, but I'm always looking to improve the process and make it easy. Just going to tap this in to make sure everything is even. I really should get a longer one of these. And then to one side, I'm just going to use my paint scraper tool, do a very light texture here. Same thing to every single bar, just a light texturing. I'm not pushing very hard at all. I just think this looks so good. Just like so. La 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 la. Then we're going to add some glitter. Where did I get it? I got it from the Good Glitter. And we're going to put that on the side that doesn't have any texture. Well, we're going to try. It kind of does what it wants. As this is sitting here, it is crazy to me how accurate that base color is getting. I definitely made the right choice because I knew that the fragrance oil was going to affect the base color. I was praying it would be within the range I wanted it to be, and it definitely is. So I'm thrilled to death. This looks so good. It smells so good. What a way to start off the series. Just gonna get the last little tiny bits of glitter. Try not to waste a single sparkle over here. All right, and this is what the first secret soap looks like on top. As you can see, I didn't move around these little dollops I put on top. I left them right where they were, and we'll be back in 18 to 24 hours to cut everything up, take a peek at the inside. Okay, check this out. It looks very different this morning. That sort of yellow-green tinge from the yellow coloring of the fragrance oil completely disappeared. So I'm going to turn this on the side. And remember, that line is going to be straight in the future. This was a new fragrance oil I'd never used before, and it moved on me. this is what the inside looks like. Okay, that's pretty straight. So take a look at the top, take a look at the side, take a look at the cut, and tell me what you think. You have to guess down in the comments below. This is only the first soap, so I don't know. Maybe it's gonna be a little trickier, but these swirls turned out perfect. And let me tell you, the smell is so good. I will be going back to this fragrance in the future. Even though it did move rather quickly, it's just a really nice scent. I feel like it will be universally appealing. It is strong, but it's not overpowering. And question of the day, of course, is going to be secret soap related. You guys have to let me know what you think this is down in the comments below. You can follow me over on TikTok and Instagram. I will be posting shorter videos of the exact same soap making process, so less commentary, probably fits within 30 seconds. I'm really obsessed with these. I can't wait to see y'all's guesses. Okay, we've completed the first one. Feel free to leave your guesses down below. Now, last year, I believe we saw the first correct guess in the second video. So I will be combing through comments to see if anybody correctly guesses in this first video. Be sure to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, all that kind of good stuff. Also, Caleb and I are working religiously to get our email list up to snuff. We realize that a lot of people are only keeping up with us via that email list. So we're doing our best to make it very aesthetic, very cute for you guys. You can sign up at the link down below. We're going to include that link in all of our videos in the future, so you can follow us that way. Also, we have reviews enabled on our website. If you want to go leave me a little review, I'd really appreciate it. Okay, and I will see you guys in the next video. We do have a couple videos this month that are not Secret Soap series themes. They're just like craft videos for funsies, but I think the next one is actually Secret Soap. So I'll see you in the next one. Be sure you do something fun for yourself today. You know, go on a little walkie walk. Maybe you want to start up a new book series. And I will see y'all in the next video. So until then, bye for now.